Hello students, we are meeting here to learn the new chapter, that is chapter number 8, PowerPoint Creating Slides Part 1. In this we will see how to create a slide, how to decorate the slide and all that. Okay, now creating a blank presentation with design theme. Earlier we have learned how to give themes. Okay, design theme is built-in design for creating a presentation which includes predefined information, layout, background, text, and color. You can select a particular design theme using the design tab on the ribbon. See here, design tab is given here. You have to click on this design tab and click on the theme. Here theme group, in the theme group, all the themes are getting displayed. Out of this which is having a green color at this right hand side, this slide, this one we are selecting. Okay, after that what is next? We can change the colors. The theme is applied to slide 1. If you want different color or selected theme, then click on the variants to apply a different color or color scheme to the theme. The variant, if we'll click on the variant group, different theme colors are given. Out of this pink color we are selecting. Now what is next? Creating a blank presentation with design theme. In that, PowerPoint applies the color scheme to selected theme in the slide. Okay, so pink color we have selected, it is showing that. Now creating the title slide. How to write the text for that? Click on the title text placeholder text box. Here title text placeholder box is this. Here we are writing introduction to computers. Type your text in the text placeholder box this way. The type text is displayed in the title text placeholder and in the slides thumbnail pan. Okay, here says slides thumbnail pan. In this also it's shown how we have typed it. Then subtitle we have to enter. Click on the subtitle text placeholder box, this, which is below. Type the text in the subtitle placeholder box and type the text by the students of class 5. We have typed. Adding a new slide to the presentation. After the completion of first slide, we want to enter the second slide. So what to do? You have to click on the home tab and click here new slide. So here by default, the title and the contains slide layout, it will come, and now second slide will appear in the thumbnail also. Okay, now here click on the title text placeholder and type your text. Here we have typed it. Then click the subtitle text placeholder and type your text. Complete your remaining text as did the earlier steps. All the steps which we have done, we will complete all these steps. Then suppose after typing that one particular word we want to select, what to do? For that, double click on the word you want to select. Bring your mouse pointer on this word and double click on that. The word will get selected. Now to select a sentence, click 3 times quickly on the sentence you want to select. Bring your mouse pointer on the sentence somewhere in the between these words and double click 3 times. The full sentence will get selected. Okay. Now to suppose we want to select a point which are given with bullets. Click on the bullet beside the point you want to select. Click on this bullet, that particular point will get selected. To select any part of the text, for that position the mouse pointer over the first word you want to select and then simply drag it, it will get selected. Normal selection. Now deleting text. Whatever is selected, if you want to delete, simply press delete key from the keyboard. See, it is shown, delete key is shown here. This is the second step. You have to press delete key, that selected word or selected text will get deleted. Changing the font of the text. Okay, now once you have entered the text, afterwards you found that this text is, I don't like this text particular font for the text, you can change it. For that, what you have to do, you have to select the sentence first, select the text first, and then click on the home tab in the font group. There is a option to change the font. Click on this downward arrow. It will show all the font. It will show the whole font list here, and out of that, select a particular font which you want. Okay, and simply press enter. It will get applied to the text. If suppose you want to change the size of the font which you have select for the selected text, again click on select the text whichever font you want to change, then go to home tab Then beside the number, beside the size arrow is there, click on that arrow, select it, and simply select the size which you want. It will get applied to your slide. Next is, suppose we want to change the color of your text. So select the text for which you want to change the color. Again, home tab, font group, there is a color option, change text color option. Beside that, again, one downward arrow is there. Click on that arrow. You can see the color palette, select it, and then it will get applied to the text. Now, suppose we want to change the text style, that is bold, italic, underline, and shadow. These buttons are available again in the home tab, font group. So first select the text, go to home tab, and in the font group, out of this bold, italic, underline, and shadow, out of this any one you select, it will get applied to your text. Now alignment of the text. We can align the text on the left side, right side, center, or justify like this. So here we are clicking for that. Again, go to home tab, font group, paragraph group. These options are available, that is left align, center align, right align, and justify. Out of this, on any alignment you select, here we have given center alignment. Okay. Then it is line spacing, lines between the space between the lines, that is line spacing. Select the text or text box that you want to change. Here we are changing the types, actually which types we have written. We will select that text and click on the home tab from the ribbon, and then in the paragraph group there is an option line spacing. Select that, click on the arrow beside that, and it will show you the options. Out of that we are selecting 1.5, and then that much space will be displayed between the 2 points. Now changing the slide layout. Layout means the design of the slide. For that, what we have to do, select the slide for which you want to change the layout. We have selected the second slide. It is home tab. We are clicking, and then in the this layout option you have to select, and then layout button you have to click. All the layouts will get listed here. Out of that, whichever layout you want, click on that layout. It will get applied to your slide. See, it has got applied. We have given heading, means title, and 2 contents. Earlier it was only 1 content. So here another contents also, the second part content also you can write it here. Next is content placeholder. Content placeholders appears on most of the slides layout. You can use content placeholders to build your presentation effectively. They enable you to insert text or one of 6 graphics objects so that you can make your presentation fast. See, this content text means here these contains text placeholder is given. Out of this you can insert anything, tables, from here directly you can insert chart, smart art, videos, or a clip art, or pictures. Out of this 6 graphical objects, you can enter whatever you want directly from here instead of going to the tabs and the groups. Okay. Now we can add online, on online we can add pictures also. So how to do that? For that, in our slide, for that you have to display the slide in which you want to add an online picture, and then change the layout of the slide to one that includes a placeholder on an online picture. So we have given 2 contents. Click on online pictures. This is the option for online pictures. Click on that. So what is next? If you will click on that, it will show you the list of see, the insert picture dialog box appears. Type a keyword or phrase in the Bing image search box. Click on the search icon, and then the image to add to the slide, click on insert button. See here, all the images will get displayed. Select the image whichever you want to insert and click on the insert button like this. After that, that particular picture, the online picture is inserted, and the picture tools appears in the format tab. See here, picture tools are appearing in the format tab. So you can adjust the picture wherever way you want. You can resize or move the picture if you want. Okay. Now next is that adding a picture. with the picture option. Open the third slide and add text in it. Some text we are adding in that. Change the layout of the slide to the one that includes placeholder for a picture. We are given two contents here. Click on the picture icon to add picture to the slide. Not online. From the file we can take the pictures. Now after that, what will happen? The insert picture dialog box appears. If we'll click on that picture, so insert picture dialog box appears. In that it is showing the files where pictures are stored. Click on any picture, any folder, particular folder, and click on insert button. That particular picture will get inserted. Okay. Now adding a picture, in that picture is inserted and the picture tools appears on the format tab. Pictures tools is appearing on the format tab when the picture is selected. You can resize or move the picture. Okay. Like this, we have learned many things in this, that adding the picture from the file, adding the picture online also, and we have learned how to give the design theme and how to change the color, how to use the variants for the design theme. Whenever you will get the video for this, try to understand and try to learn, and whenever you will get the second part of this or question answers for this, try to complete in your book. By then, thank you. Take care.